Welcome to this UI update video where we will see what has changed for template editing in GetSign. Previously, when trying to edit a document from the gallery level, we would go to Settings and click Edit to modify the section. Now we have added a new UI that provides more information. It warns you that when editing a shared template from the gallery level, your changes will be applied to all items. You can click Continue Editing, which will redirect you to the editor page, or you can simply click Cancel. If you want to edit from the item level instead, you can just go to the Share section and edit the document directly from there. Just click Edit. For example, if I click Edit here, the system will again give us a warning, letting us know we are now editing from the item level. Any changes made here will only be applicable to this specific item, rather than all items. So we can just click Continue Editing to proceed. Those changes will then be applied exclusively to this item, not globally.